Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 1961 Jeep FC and this is by Matchbox and this is from the moving part series. So and this one is specifically, you can see here, it's a special edition, 70-year special edition for this particular set. The previous set one was the Ford Mustang. I think the Ford Mustang convertible if I'm not wrong. So I bought this for $399, which is the MRP, and I bought this one from Hamleys. So one of my friend bought this from Bangalore. So when it came here, that time I was not able to buy it in Chennai, so he bought it for me. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one looks. I personally like this casting, so I specifically asked him to buy this one for me. So let's see how this one actually looks and feels in our hands. Okay, let me just put it here. Let's throw this garbage away. Okay, here it is. So the initial impressions of this car is like, this looks really beautiful. At least they could have just gone with some kind of detailing here instead of just painting it out, because I personally like this model because, okay, see, you can do this, but okay, it is not standing up, but it's okay. It looks nice. It is not really a very great one, but throughout whatever we unboxed so far, I think we unboxed like 5 cars so far. So out of this, including this one, it is 6th. So this one looks really nice compared to rest of the 5, and the rims looks really nice. So this one is specific to this special edition. This rims, this with this kind of copper colored trim on the rims. So and again, the body is fully made of metal. So this one is actually, it looks like metal, but it feels like plastic. Yeah, it is metal, but it does feel like plastic, and the chassis is actually made of plastic. The paint job is really nice. I don't see any irregularities so far. And both headlights and taillights, everything is painted. The spare tire is also painted, but it's at least embossed. I really wish they actually kept the tire here and only this bed just lift up and down, so that would have looked really cool. Okay, so without further ado, let's do a roll test. Okay, this one is really smooth and fast compared to others. It does have wheel wobble, especially on the rear wheels. It wobbles a lot, but this one is really smooth, and it is a bit fast as well. So this one is really nice in my opinion. I personally like this casting even out of the box, but it doesn't have any rear view mirrors. That's one thing, but still this looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.